Hey guys, today I'm unboxing 4 things. Oh, only 3, just kidding, 4. So you want to see it? I bought it from Apple Store, you could know. It's gonna be Apple. Apple. Like and subscribe to my video too. This is an unboxing video from Apple Store. So let's go into the first thing. There's MacBook, iPad, and loads of more things. Let's start this off. Let's put it like I'm on my bed. So I bought this from my dad. He don't even notice. This is from my brother and me too, because my dad bought it because he don't even realize. This is the iPad. The iPad Generation 7. Here is the Generation 7. You see it? I'll show you it. Okay, and put you the camera here. You see all this information. Just like, if you can see it, tell me to. Okay, I'm starting to set to my camera. You'll see 128 gigabytes, and it was a great one. Just like Generation 7, you see, yeah. So let's unbox this thing. I'll only use it for a second, so let's unbox this. Wait for the gravity. Ew! You can't really clean cloth because I already put the film on it. Do you want to see it? You see here, it's not sealed anymore because I already opened it to check this is great. So let's put it away for a sec. Let's put it in here. And let's put it on the side. And let's stick inside. So it have the seal because I keep it. So it have over here, sign the Apple in California. Let's just open it up. So this is from Apple in California. Let's check. It's an iPad. Yes, it tells iPad, and it's all like that information. More iPad stuff that is unknown, and this is too the information. I don't know, and it doesn't have the Apple thing. Wait, this is thick. Wait, did it came with Apple sticker? Guys, tell me in the comment did it came with Apple sticker, because I don't have that much Apple stuff. This is from my brother and me. So this is all the information they have in here. Yeah, this is all. Wait, it's not all. There's some inside. Nope, that's all, I guess. If you know more, tell me in the comment what I missed. So this could be go away. Put it back in the box later. Go over there. Oh, it came with fast charger. Oh, charger. This came with fast charger. Look at this, Apple charger. Whoa! About, I don't know how many volts this is, but let's open it. It's satisfying. Oh, wait. Wait, what? Wait, it's not satisfied anymore. It's satisfied for a second. This is the seal. This is the fast charger, and you can change this to open it up, and you change port, then still great. So this is the fast charger. I'll put it in my dongle. Put it over here. Next is the charger. It's a lightning port charger. Here, I will tell you that's lightning port. If you can see it, it's lightning port. Yeah, to USB. My nose snip. So there's nothing inside anymore, just all of this. This is the charger to put in the iPad. So let's go to the iPad. Seal, go away, boxed. So let's open the iPad. This is the iPad film already installed. Then let's open it. Ew. OMG. I click on the password first. Okay, this is the iPad. This is my brother and I. It's iOS 13. That is impossible to hack. Then let's go to the setting. So, what iOS is this? It's all tied because I don't know. So let's find the iOS. Let's try to find it, yeah. No, I can't find the iOS. So I will have the like. Okay, brother, just go away for a sec. So this is the iOS 13. It had one camera, about 128 gigabytes. You want to see it? I already told you. And it's iOS 13, and it's very great. And it's like, and it's like impossible to hack because it's like protective like that. So please don't hack. This iPad can be broken. And it have VPN too. NordVPN. Great. And this is the iPad. You see? About, I don't know. Let's check the information for a sec. Oh my gosh. About, I don't know how many inches this. I don't care now. So this is all the iPad came with. That's it. So that is the iPad. So that is all the iPad. So I'll be back in a second. The iPad finished is weight very heavy, so I'm finished with this. So let's put it back in the box. And my brother's reviewing. Brother, go on YouTube. Oh, do not turn on the light because you're gonna hurt our eyes. So okay, let's unbox. First one finished. This is the connector. I will unbox this because you already know who have MacBook Pro. So, moving on. Is this Microsoft thingy? That's unknown, so I don't care. Next thing is the MacBook Pro will be the last. You see here? This is the what? The kickstand for like my iPad, the last one. So I tried to unbox it. So let's try to open it. So I'll get some scissors. Came back with scissors. Let's unbox this. Okay, very hard. Okay, I have unboxed Apple product before, but I never show you guys. It's my old iPhone 6. My mom and dad iPhone 6. Okay, I already poke a hole. I'm trying to unbox properly and I can't. Wait, Mom, wait. I'll be back in a second. So my mom is cutting it for me. Mom, can you show YouTube? Hi. Hi. My mom is unboxing it now. It's a keyboard for the iPad I reviewed in a second. And sweep down from here. Okay, Mom, I don't know how to unbox it. Okay, thank you, Mom. Satisfied. You can just trash it. I don't care. So, let's unbox it. It's heavy, weigh like 20 kilogram, I guess. So let's unbox this. This is gonna be a long unboxing. Ah, satisfying! So this is the box. Sound great? So, go away. Then this is the Apple in California. Let's check. Is there any good information for it? Nah, nothing. I just checked. I don't care. So this is the main one. This is the main thing. So let's look. Anything came inside? Nothing. So let's unbox this thing. This is from Apple, the Apple company. So it's peeling, satisfying. Are they peeling? Are you kidding? Oh no. Oh, you want to open the keyboard? Oh, it came. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's cute.
Oh my god.
That's cute.
Oh my god.
And this is the kickstand that it came with. That I need to put on my iPad, then I can put on here. Then let's feel how it clicked.
Oh my god.
So I'm gonna give this to my dad. Dad, hey, this is yours. So I gave it to my dad. So the biggest one. Oh, it had like 50 grams or 50 pounds. The MacBook Pro. Let's unbox it. So let's hear the sound. For about. Okay, the iPad. The iPad? Yeah. Okay, I'll keep it in the box for a sec. I'll be back in a sec. See you. So it's for about 13 inch. and it's 13 is true tone. And I don't know how many gigabytes this. I think it's about 128 because my dad bought it 128. And the screen is like, and the how it looks is 2,560 multiplied to 1,600 pixel. It's HD, FaceTiming, and it's like Wi-Fi. It's a normal Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0. Let's unbox it. Oh, it's a MacBook Pro. My dad don't even know I'm unboxing because I'm surprising my dad. I'm only 9 years old and I have that much money. So let's unbox it. Oh, MG. Oh, Apple in California only fall. I'm not looking. This is the MacBook. So let's put it in this box like the other one. Let's put it right here first. So in the box it have this Apple in California. It came in Apple sticker. Is that correct? Let's find out. It came with Apple sticker. Oh, MacBook Pro. Oh, Apple sticker! Yay! Some weird information. I don't care. I'll be back. That's all about an Apple in California. So my dad didn't want an Apple sticker. So I put it on my back of my phone that they think is an Apple. So let's go. Put it on the same place. So it came with a charger, USB-C Type-C. Okay, it's the large one. So this one's gonna go here. And this is the biggest one. I don't know how many volts is this. This is the charger for the Apple, so let's peel it. Okay, that's it. And this is the Apple charger cup. So this is the Apple charger. So I gotta put it back in the seal because this is my dad because I gave it to my dad. So let's put it back in the seal. Ugh, not satisfying that much. Finished. This is the unboxing for the MacBook Pro. And the greatest and latest part. So I keep this. I don't care about this. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. The MacBook Pro. Put it here. I don't know. MacBook Pro fell down. Let's just close this box first. Put it here. The MacBook Pro, so let's peel it. Satisfying. I hear someone calling. I know who's calling, so let's put the seal away for a sec. This is the MacBook Pro. I put my camera like right here so you can see it. This is the MacBook Pro, so let's open it. Hold the seal. Da, 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 da. OMG, look at how it is. OMG, look at this. Look at this. It's butterfly keyboard. How great. No glowing Apple logo anymore, so I'm setting this up. Yeah, great. I can load the light, and I can load the light too. So the keyboard doesn't.
อย่าใส่รหัสมั่ว
ไม่ใส่รหัส
พ่อใส่รหัสไม่อยู่
พี่ไม่ใส่รหัส
พ่อใส่รหัสอย่าใส่รหัสมั่ว
So this is the Apple. So that is for the MacBook Pro. that's it. It have butterfly keyboard and it's very heavy. No glowing Apple logo anymore to mention that, and it's used Type C. So they're saying the Apple Store is Type C. You want to see why? Type C, and there's headphone jack. So this will be all for it, and trackpad and like loads of more things, and there's like here too. You know, touch bar. So that'll be for all this video, and goodbye guys. So you want to check out my new videos about vlogging coming soon. This is the video that unboxing all things. Goodbye.